Indicate a perfect fit for our official birthday queen. It suits you, Sophie.
It's beautiful, Liam. Thank you.
Today was supposed to be the most magical day of the year for Sophie. The day she had been counting down to for months.
It's finally here. It's today. It's today. It's today.
I wonder what they did down there. Did they put up banners already? Oh, I bet Leo forgot to hide the balloons again. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, dear.
So, it's a pretty big day today, huh? The weather is perfect. Does anyone know if anything special is happening?
Mathematically speaking, it is Thursday, Sophie.
Yep, just a normal Thursday.
Pass the sugar, Mia.
As the long hours ticked away, the silence in the house grew heavier. A terrible, sinking feeling began to take root in Sophie's heart.
What do you mean the delivery is delayed? No, listen to me. We need those extra bright fairy lights by 5 p.m. sharp. Just hurry up.
Okay, push them deeper under the branches. Hurry! If she looks out the kitchen window and sees this wrapping paper, the surprise is completely dead.
Sophie, what are you doing here?
We are just studying about insect population, yes.
Fascinating, highly educational bugs.
Yep, just bugs. Sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt your bug project. I'll just leave you guys alone.
Leo, grab the left corner.
Perfect. Whew. This is her absolute favorite shades. She's gonna flip when she sees this.
Guys, I'm trapped. A little help? Tie it off, Leo. Tie it off! My hands are slipping. Got it. Secured. Wow, that was close.
They didn't forget how to have fun, they just forgot about me. They don't want me around anymore.
As night claimed the jungle, the final pieces of the secret oasis were falling into place.
Happy birthday to me. Blow out the candles, Sophie. Be strong. Don't let them see you cry. It's just a normal Thursday. Just a normal, regular day.
Don't trip on the rug, Owen. Do not trip on the rug. If you drop this fruit platter, Mia will actually terminate your existence.
It's perfect. It's an absolute fairy tale. I can't wait to see her face.
But Sophie wasn't thinking about fairy tales. Sitting in the dark, she had never felt more invisible or more unloved.
According to my visual assessment, the structural aesthetics are operating at 100% efficiency. She is going to be utterly speechless. Shh! Quiet, everyone! I hear the back door creaking. She's coming down the path right now. Get ready! Surprise! Happy birthday, Sophie!
You guys didn't forget? The bugs, the cake. You were doing all of this for me?
Are you okay? Do you not like the decorations?
We can change them.
I thought you guys didn't want me around anymore. I thought you hated me today. I felt so completely alone.
Oh, Sophie, no. No, look at me, please. We don't hate you. We could never hate you. We love you more than anything in the world. We are so sorry, Sophie. We wanted to make it the biggest surprise ever, so we forced ourselves to act busy. We didn't realize we were hurting you.
Oh my goodness, it's the picture of my parents. How did you guys even find this? Oh, Sophie, your sweet parents. We remembered how your mother used to bake those little honey cakes for you.
There. My structural calculations indicate a perfect fit for our official birthday queen. It suits you, Sophie.
It's beautiful, Liam. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much. I don't feel alone anymore.
We wanted to create a space full of lights and love that you wouldn't feel the darkness. We wanted to protect you. Sophie closed her eyes and made a wish, incredibly proud of the family she had found.
Woohoo! Happy birthday, Sophie! Time for cake!
This
is the best birthday I've ever had. Thank you guys for saving my day.
Anytime, birthday girl. We've got you. Because a perfect birthday isn't about avoiding the sad days. It's about having the perfect friends who will pull you out of the dark and remind you how bright your world can be.